You wouldn't believe how much thought went into this little feeder. It's not just automatic. It actually keeps wet food fresh and even knows when to stop cooling before your cat eats. Hi, I'm Emmy from Sandoczka. I'm trying out the Petlibro automatic cat feeder, made especially for wet food. Right out of the box, it feels solid and well designed. It comes with everything you need: the main unit, the power cable, and even space for batteries, just in case of a power outage. Inside, everything looks neat and organized. The compartments are made to keep wet food chilled for up to 3 days, using a built-in cooling system that works almost like a mini fridge. It lowers the temperature below 50 degrees within a few hours, so you don't have to use ice packs anymore. And one of my favorite things is this: about 30 minutes before mealtime, the feeder stops cooling on purpose. That way, the food isn't too cold when it's time to eat. It gently returns closer to room temperature. For cats that don't like icy food, that makes a big difference. Once the app is connected, setting everything up is really simple. You can schedule meals, adjust portions, and even feed manually right from your phone. Everything stays saved, even if the power goes out. The tray fits in smoothly, and when the time comes, the lid opens automatically, quietly and gently. There's also a safety sensor that keeps the lid from closing if your cat is nearby, which I find really reassuring. It's clean, calm, and easy to live with. One of those things that make daily routines feel lighter. And honestly, seeing how it works makes me wonder why I didn't try it sooner. If you liked it, the link's down in the description. You can check it out or grab yours. Thanks for watching.